Good morning. A couple of days ago I did a review or an unpackaging of this Cobalt PVC pipe cutter. I'm actually going to get a chance to give a test cut right now on it so you can see how it works. As you see, the blade snaps open. I've got a little piece of 3/4 inch pipe here, so I'm just going to cut a little piece of it off here to see how it goes. It seems like it's ratcheting. There we go. Seems to be driving the pipe up to the lip here. Now we'll start cutting it. It's already biting. And that's it. It's a nice, clean, easy cut. Here's where I made the cut. So I made the cut here. Definitely worth buying one of these if you need to cut some PVC pipe. Thanks for watching.